And now we are at the next step, admin viewing the inventory of the billing inventory and shopping with barcodes project. So this is what is the target of this tutorial. We shall show inventory and reports, show all items, filter by stock less than 5 units. So this is just indicator. You can add as many reports as you want, or you might want to create a dedicated page also or a menu also. And this is a search by barcode, and this is the list of all the inventory items, and you can sort by last updated, by units, by price per unit, and this arrow will appear according as the sort operation is shown. Now in this let's see how to do it. So I will now come to the project straight away. So basically what we have to complete is the admin area inventory.cshtml and inventory.cshtml.cs file. First of all, let us come to the backing class that will help us understand that razor page better. This is the inventory model class, and this is the logger project context, and this is the constructor that brings both of them through dependency injection. And we have is sort ascending and sort field. This is sort field is the name of the field on which we are sorting, and depending on these parameters we are going to adjust the query that will ultimately bring the inventory items. The inventory items are shown through a list of product, and on get async this receives the sort field and is ascending. And let's see this trick. First of all, we have set a query of all the products. Is sort ascending false or true? Sort field default is I think date, and otherwise whatever sort field is coming from the page. If sorting is on units, then query will be depending on sort direction, order by, or order by descending of quantity. And if it is price, that this will be on price and date. And finally products are returned as query.as no tracking.to list async. And immediately after this we have a post function. This function is for that search on barcode. If barcode is not there, then you return redirect back to the page so that you are able to I think show all of them, because when you redirect you will be taken through the whole loop again, and there you will show the list of all the products. And otherwise select the product by barcode, and we have set start with. So if you enter the first few, then any barcodes that start with 1 2 3 will be shown in the list. You can obviously shape these queries in whatever way you want. Then we have that link buttons for reports. A report can be given any numeric ID. If numeric ID is 0, we say show all, so redirect to the page. If it is less than 5 stock, it is ID is 1, and accordingly shape the query. So this is mostly the requirements of your project that you are handling. And now I will come to the inventory.cshtml razor page. So this is inventory and reports heading, and then there is a button at the top that takes you to the scan page and scan barcode. So this is a convenience sort of menu that takes the user to the scanning page. And then we have, this is the form, and this whole page handler report, this is a link button actually. Report ID 0, show all, page handler report ID is 1, filter by stock less than 5. So this you must already be knowing what this means. It says that it will go to the function on get report or on get report async that we have written already, and it will pass this parameter or this parameter. You can once again look at this on get report. This is what I'm saying right now. I think these bytes have been accidentally added here because they are not for any form related, or maybe they were here for CSS purposes. And then we have this input for the barcode, and this is the submit for searching. It will post your this to there. So this is also not required. It is by mistake that it might have appeared here. And then we have the table that actually shows all the inventory items, and this is the heading. Sort field is date, is ascending, just toggles it. Last updated on what date, and then depending on the sort ascending, an arrow up or down is shown. So you can just examine it on your own. It is better you do it yourself. Then similarly we have a scanning on barcode, sort field is units and is ascending. Then price, and after those were the